Hello guys, today I have got XIAOMI Sound Play and I'm going to show you why won't your device charge, some solutions, fixes, etc. There are actually many fixes to this issue because there are a couple of reasons that may be just bad for charging. The first thing that I would check is the charging port. So take a look inside here, and if you see any dirt, any dust, or just some weird substance, you need to just clean it. But clean it with what? You need to clean it with isopropyl alcohol, and only with that, or of course ethyl alcohol. They don't conduct electricity. Remember to spray it directly on some brush, non-metallic tool of course, and wipe it inside, or here you need to spray it inside the charging port. Do not touch this material right here and right here. You need to clean with non-metallic tool, of course. You may search on the internet the videos about how to clean a charging port. This is the first thing. The second thing is that you may use a wrong cable or wrong charger or wrong power outlet or power source. Try using power brick only, and try use use a different cable, a different charger, etc. And actually you need to combine all these things and make a combination that works for you. And that should be it. Goodbye.